Oh, hello! Welcome back! Last time we were together, we properly drained the coolant from the M20. While the coolant is out, we're going to replace the thermostat. If you weren't here for the draining, I'll leave a link in the description below. So without further ado, let's get started. First, let's remove the hose from the thermostat housing. This can be done with a large flathead or an 8mm. Check the condition of the clamp, and consider replacing if need be. Once the hose is out of the way, we need to find that mischievous 10mm and take out the 3 bolts on the housing. One is here, the other's here, and the last one is here. Once those are all out, we can take off the housing cover and remove the thermostat. Now, I'm a firm believer in putting things back better than when they came off, so let's give this cover some love. I first started with removing grime and crusted old coolant from it. I used a degreaser and some mineral spirits, and used a brush to agitate the chemicals. Now that it's clean, it's ready for my favorite part. Recently, I've been addicted to glass beading. I literally want to do it to everything. With a little bit of effort and time spent in the beading booth, the cover goes from looking like this to this. It's so satisfying to watch all that aged crud disappear. Once it was done, I primed and painted it and reattached to the hose. The next step is to take out the old thermostat and put in the new one. Take note of how it looks to make sure that you put the new one in properly. Once it's in, just reverse these steps and you're done. Easy peasy. Well, that's all for this episode. Thanks for watching and see you soon!